Hi there, I'm Nick Rago for Tech Radar. If you're starting your 10th rewatch of Friends on Netflix and need something new to binge, we've got you covered. Here are our 5 picks of what to watch this April on Netflix. What you get when you take 3 amateur home bakers and throw them into a baking competition? You get the lovely Nailed It, which is a far cry from the professional baking competitions you'd normally watch. Stay for the hilarious bakes, over-the-top hosting, and gleeful smiles when they finally pick a winner.
Let's see what you did, Larry!
Nailed it!
Oh boy!
La Casa de Papel, or Money Heist as it's known, is one of the most popular shows on Netflix across the Middle East. This Spanish crime drama now rolls into its 4th season and delivers an even more gripping storyline and plenty of plot twists. When an inept Detroit cop tries to bond with his girlfriend's foul-mouthed young son, things don't quite turn out as planned. With a whole host of criminals in hot pursuit, this movie promises plenty of laughs as headed by the brilliant Ed Helms.
You were BFFs with a grown-ass man? There's literally documentaries on Netflix about why that's so sick.
I think that's a different...
Out of my face, man.
Set in the small fictitious town of Tambor, this comedy drama series follows Tony, played by Ricky Gervais, a writer for the local newspaper whose life is upended after his wife dies from cancer. In the show's 2nd season, we see Tony trying to become a better friend to those around him. Each person is grappling with their own problems and things are only intensified by the looming threat of the local newspaper being shut down.
Freddie Mercury's tooth.
He's disgusting.
Convinced they'd be better off raising themselves, the Willoughby children hatch a sneaky plan to send their selfish parents on vacation. The siblings then embark on their own high-flying adventure to find the true meaning of family. Based on the book by beloved author Lewis Lowry, this is one family film you don't want to miss.
Wow.
And that's our top picks for what to watch on Netflix this month. For more recommendations on what to watch and for everything in the world of tech, stay tuned to techradar.com.